Okay, we have a freight train. We what? Wait, but should we turn here? Turn here, turn here. What is behind us? We can't. It's coming behind us and it's snow. Like me, guys. Go faster, go faster. Go to the center. Holy moly! We're chasing! Well, see ya, cat freight train. I'm impressed. How many cars? That's a lot. Are we gonna keep chasing this thing? Well, bye, freight train. I think we're just gonna say goodbye, freight train. Well, so, guys, that was a special freight train. Wow, wow, wow. Forget about that. So, we actually managed to get the Yeah, we even got the right rail train going by at the same time. Well, look. Well, we'll see ya. Another time, freight train. Guys, Sigma, bro. Sigma. True, Sigma. I didn't know that was gonna happen. That's crazy.